Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to turn on spam check on Viber. Maybe you want to keep your Viber inbox free from unwanted spam messages or annoying promotional content. So today I'm going to show you how to turn on auto spam check on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on the small icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the Viber menu. From this menu, tap on Settings. In this Settings page, tap on Privacy. Here, you will see an option called Auto Spam Check. By default, this option is turned off, which means that Viber won't automatically check for spam messages. Now, to turn it on, simply tap on the circle icon next to it. Once you do that, the icon will be checked, indicating that you now have successfully turned on Auto Spam Checker on Viber. Now, Viber will automatically check your incoming messages for spam content and filter them out. There you go. If you wanted to know how to turn on Auto Spam Check on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to turn on Auto Spam Check on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.